is it? Where is it? There's a balloon here. Ano yan? Yeah, you are. And guys, heading to Kildare Village. Kildare Village. Selbridge pala. Selbridge. Ayan. Time is 7:30 p.m. So, maaga po. Very gloomy lang siya. Thank you for the watch. Thank you guys. It's Saturday. Oh, nalamig nitong bebe namin. May nalamigan ditong bebe, oh. Yan muna kaya itong nalamigan na siya. Nanginig-nginig na siya. Nanginig na siya, bebe. May baby kami dito maliit. Yan. This is Dublin, guys. Ano pa pala ito siya? On the left side, Finglas, then towards Wexford. Yan yung mga big city, guys. Wexford. This is 7:30 p.m. Very gloomy, very gloomy sa amin dito. Oh, you're cool na be. Kita kayo dito. Ditong site na to, oh. There you are. Ayan, yan, there's 9:30, 7:29 p.m. And Awesome Walls Climbing Center, Home and Business Storage, Dublin. North City. Ayan, medyo bright dito. Navan, Blanchardstown, Castleknock. Yan, makalapit lang po yan sila sa Dublin. Malamig po ba? Na-cold si baby. Uy, na-cold. Yan, kumutan ikaw. Kumutan. Sana ba itong kumutan? Bright day dito. Ang temperature, 17 degrees. 17 degrees. Oh, you're cold, Ben. Kumutan ko lang to. Na-cold ang bebe. Oh, ayan na. Ayan, na-cold ang bebe. Nanginig-ginig siya. Na-cold siya. Oh, ayan.